The tunnel's scream may be real but not supernatural. It sounds like a child calling from the dark. As the traveler steps closer, the echo moves. Every footstep changes the voice's direction. The cry comes from ahead, then suddenly from the wall beside them. It should be an ordinary echo, but old warnings make it harder to believe. Someone supposedly vanished near this passage. The traveler calls out, hoping for an answer. The scream stops instantly. For 1 second, only water drips. Then, a second cry rises behind them. Curiosity turns to panic, because nothing should be standing there. They reach the center and find no child, hidden room, or moving figure. Only cold air pushes through cracks in the masonry. The sound feels close, yet the tunnel gives it nowhere to hide. The traveler runs toward daylight, convinced the voice is following. But the scream rises again. Not from inside the passage. It comes from above. Wind funnels through the structure, bends around stone, and reshapes into something strangely human. This is the Screaming Tunnel near Niagara, a real location tied to a long-running local legend. Wind, echoes, and the tunnel's shape can explain the sound, but the vanished child story gives it a face. The twist, the ghost may be the legend itself.